Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Aberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 23rd, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P500, and also Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. So VIX was up quite dramatically today, 2.57 point, 9.4% up, closed at 29.92. So the VIX had a hard time breaking 27.72 here, our resistance line. But during the past 2 days, it broke it in a shy manner. It broke it, but stayed pretty much close to it. But today, no, it went super high, super fast, and also went and reached this, look at this, upward support that we had in the past. During this spring, we had that there. So we went up to that point and then caved in a little bit. So quite a strong VIX. So we are getting in the close to 30 territory for the VIX. And this basically coincides to major downward movement in the stock market. Things are not looking very good, I would say. Let's look at Dow Jones, how it fared. So Dow Jones suffered a little bit because of that. So we had stopped yesterday at this first double support, the double support we have here, and now we reached as low as the second one right here. Is this going to tell us that we are going to bounce on that? It's a possibility that we bounce on that. I would say it's a little bit higher possibility because we have a longer wick at the bottom here. The buyers pushed the stock back up right here towards the end of the day. So that's a positive sign, but it remains to be seen. We don't need to act on impressions or speculations, but just on what is happening in front of us. And right now, it seems like we might want to be bouncing. Let's see what happens on Monday. Let's look at S&P 500. The same thing here. So we extended ourselves. Look at this. There's no random move in the stock market. There's no random move. We have extended ourselves right at the low that we made on June 15th, 16th, and 17th. We have extended ourselves exactly at that place. And from that point on, at that date, we started going back up. Again, this is a possibility that this happens, but let's wait until it really happens before acting on it. And if we take a look at Nasdaq, so Nasdaq is staying put on its support at 10,855. It has not extended itself as low at 10,534. At 10,534, which we reached on June 16th. So Nasdaq is staying a little bit higher. Maybe this is the support that Nasdaq is going to bounce off, or maybe we are going to fall a little bit on Monday and then reach that other support there. So the good news is that we are getting close to major support, but is it going to hold us up there? That's what we are going to have to wait to see. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case, depending on your tier, we might also talk on Sunday and look at the weekly chart for Tesla, Dow Jones, the VIX, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.